Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get more coin from Division Rivals. You can get a competitive point from this event. Let's tap the play and this one Division Rivals. You can play in versus attack, head to head, or this manager mode. Or this is the PvP versus friends. All this event is player versus player, and tap the rewards. You can get this coins 25,000 by exchange with these competitive points that you can be used to get some store overs, and these competitive points that can be earned through the PvP mode like versus attack, head to head, manager mode, and league tournament. So just playing more and got this competitive point and exchange with the coins. 25,000 coins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.